trouble today. So, I'm going to try this again. I'm going to try to do my empties again. I guess I'm going to have to go fast. I'm doing my empties for the month of May and part of June. Alright, body wash. Have two Dial body washes. This one's lavender and jasmine. This one's lavender oil. I like this one better. This one's okay. It just smells like straight up lavender. So if you like lavender, you might like it. Would I purchase it again? No, probably purchase the other one. My husband's body wash. He went through this Equate Irish Spring. It's good. I would buy it again. It smells really good. It just smells like Irish Spring. This Old Spice Bear Glove. This was a big one. He liked it. I would probably buy this again. He loves the Old Spice big body washes or whatever. Shampoo. I had this shampoo. This is the TIGI Catwalk Curl Collection. I did not like this. I didn't like the consistency. I would not buy that again. No, my hair's not curly, but it's wavy. Especially when it's longer. Anyways. Epsom salt. I have lots of Epsom salt. I get these all at Dollar Tree. This one's the lavender one. I do like this one. It smells good. This is the eucalyptus, and this is the regular. I buy that to take salt bath or detox baths. You do that in baking soda and essential oils, and it helps pull out the toxins in your body. Soaps. I'm doing this fast, guys, because I'm not sure how well my camera's going to work, so sorry if I'm rushing through this. This is the Method hand soap. This is Sweetwater and Sea Minerals. There was a coupon at HEB for like buy two for like $4 or something like that. I think that was the deal. And I like foaming soap for my son, and these have like no triglycerides, they're biodegradable, and they're like better for the environment. They're less chemicals. So I would probably buy those again. I buy these Dollar Tree Wipes Huggies for my son. And then I use them to wipe his bottom. I have some masks. I have two of the Neutrogena masks. This is the Radiance one. This is just the hydrating one. I like this one better than the Radiance. They did fit my skin really well, and they are really great masks, and you can buy it at Walmart for like a couple bucks. This is the Pearl Essence mask. I believe Lulu sent this to me. It's okay. It's not my favorite. I mean, it was good, but I will not purchase that again. This is the Rich Snow. I would not purchase it, let's put it that way. Witch Snow Mask, moisturizing. I like these. A friend of them swapped with me. I would purchase these once I run out of them. I have like 20,000 million of those things. The body polish from Dove. This is the Kiwi scent. I don't like this body polish. It's not that great. It just doesn't scrub the body the way I like it to. This is the Clinique moisturizer. I've had this for over a year, and it lasted me a long time, and it's the Dramatically Different moisturizing gel. I already bought a backup. This is great, and I love it. It works really well. This is Salon Paws. I use these all the time for my back and my neck. Mostly my neck. They work really well, and you can get these at HEB. I'm not sure you can get them at Walmart, but I use them all the time, and they stick really good to my back. I have a lot of wax melts, and I know I went through more than this, but these are the ones I saved. This is the Cozy Cider Sipping Apple Cinnamon and Nutmeg. I like these, but these were from Christmas, and I wouldn't purchase them again. This Scentsy one I've purchased like 5 times. This is the Camu scent. I love this scent. I do purchase Scentsy scents because I have a friend that sells them. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love that scent. And then the Better Home and Garden, I got this as a wild berry cheesecake. I did not like this. I used it up, but it was, ugh, no, did not like that. Okay, I had some of these bath fizzers I got from Dollar Tree. I got 2 of the lavender, I believe these are lavender. The lavender vanilla, and then 1 of the rosemary mint. I did like these. If I ever see them again, I will purchase them. They were only $1. They're not always there because they are from this company called Bowler, and they're only in Dollar Tree occasionally. They're not there all the time. There is the Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing Floss. I liked these. It was $1.25 back on. I bought it, so I bought these to try them. I really liked them, and they did a really good job. I would buy them again. This is the Derma-E Anti-Wriggling Cleanser. I think I talked about this before. It's a really good cleanser. I need to purchase it again. It works really well. You can find it at Ulta and different places. This is the number 7 Boots Beautifully Matte Foundation. I was mixing this with the e.l.f. foundation in Ivory. This is Cool Vanilla. This is my summer shade, and I've had this for, a long time. At least 6 months, maybe longer. It lasted a long time, and it's really good. So, I will purchase that again. Okay, I'm gonna bring out these tubs really quick. Oh, here's another mask. This is the Petology Hydrating Mask. I got this from a friend. I would not purchase this again because I don't even know where to purchase that. I have some samples of Dove. This is the Dove Mint and Care. My husband uses up. He loves this scent, the Elements Mineral Sage. I've already purchased that in full size. This is the Dove Purely Pampering Body Wash and Lavender. No, what was it? Sweet Cream with Pinoni. I don't like this and I would not purchase that. This is the, oh my gosh, I love this stuff. I need to buy some more and I haven't in a while. This is the 24-hour Intense Hydrating Shea Butter, Body Butter Coconut Lime. I love this. This is from the Tree Hut. I love their body scrubs and their lotion. Really awesome. I need to buy a new one. Face wash. Oh, here. This is the other scent. I knew I had another one. This is, ow, that hurt. This is the Scentsy I don't know, lime and sandalwood. I did not like this one, but I do like Scentsy smells. It smelled good, but it was really oily. I think because it had sandalwood in it, and so I just don't like sticky, oily stuff, so I didn't like it for that reason. This is the Garnier Skin Active Deep Pore Facial Cleanser. I did not like this, and I will not buy it again. Just doesn't clean my face. This is the Garnier Skin Active Ultra Lifting Slipping Cream. I love this stuff. I need to buy some more. I've been using this for a long time. This is like my 3rd or 4th jar. It works really well. This is the Mud Honey Healing Body Mask from Perfectly Posh. This was like discontinued or whatever. I bought it for like super cheap. I would not buy that again. It was kind of weird and I didn't like it. This is the Garnier Skin Adapted Clary Brightening Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I do like this, but I would not purchase it again. This is the Cystic Urinary Health Co-Maintenance. I use this all the time and it works really well. This is a face cleaner by Clinique. I use this, I need it by the full size, but I really, really like that. This is a nail polish that's dried up by Hello Kitty. I need to get rid of it. It's from OPI. This is It's a 10 Leave Miracle Cream. I love this stuff. It works really, really good. I need to purchase another one. My mom purchased that for me. And this is the Essay Edit Pore Finishing Stick. I actually used it all up. It works really well, and well, they don't have any more, but I do have the full size, so yeah. And then this Whipped Olay stuff was really good. I want to try it in the full size. Let's do that for another video. This stuff gooped up. This is the CoverGirl yeah, Revlon Color Stay Gel Smooth Base Coat. I love these, but this is discontinued. This is an e.l.f. mascara. Works really good. I need to buy a new one. A CC cream from Supergoop. Love it. It works really good. But I wouldn't purchase it. Alright guys, that's my empties, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!